friends, Anke here with a new mixed media layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club. Today I create a Christmas layout using the beautiful papers and embellishments which are included in the November HipKits. And I'll add some mixed media accents using the music texture, clear stamp and a stencil which is included in the November color kit. I start with cutting strips from the HipKit Club exclusive Ho 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 Under the Tree and Time to Celebrate papers. My photos are layered with pieces of a pocket life card. Now I glue each of the blue paper strips on a pink one and run them through my sewing machine. Now I create the background for my layout. I cut a piece of white cardstock to the size of the paper strips in the center of my layout and stamp on my page using the music texture clear stamp. Then I add a layer of modeling paste using one of the stencils which are included in the November color kit. When the background is dry, I can arrange my paper strips and add the photos. I start embellishing my layout using two of the chipboard window ornaments, which are included in the November embellishment kit. Then I pick out some of the floral ephemera, which you can also find in the November embellishment kit. Then I add the title and other die cuts from the Ho 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 ephemera pack, which is included in the November main kit, and more floral die cuts. Now I pierce holes to add some hand stitching. I add 2 puffy bows, one from the Puffy Phrase Stickers pack, which is included in the November embellishment kit, and one from the Puffy Shape Stickers pack, which you can find in the November Pocket Life kit. I'll add some of the Scandinavian Star cardstock stickers from the November embellishment kit. I don't glue them directly on my layout because I want to use them like die cuts, and so I glue them on white cardstock and cut them out. Finally, I add more chipboard stickers and Nuvo drops, which are included in the November embellishment kit. how the layout turned out, and I hope you like it too and enjoyed watching the video. Thanks so much for joining me.